Changing all the front bulbs on the Citroen DS3. To show you what needs to be done to change the bulbs, I'm going to remove one of the headlamp assemblies so I can show you both on and off the car exactly what's going on. So I've got one fitting off the car so you can see better. Behind this cover here, we've got the dip beam, and behind this cover here we've got the high beam, and then this is the indicator bulb here. So for the dip beam we've got a H7 bulb. We'll disconnect the wiring, undo the retaining clip, now take care not to touch the glass when changing the bulbs, or wear gloves. The bit you can see here locates in the fitting at the top. The high beam is a H1. Same again. Disconnect the wiring, undo the retaining clip. Now, H1 bulbs have a flat side on them, so they're easy to locate as well. For the side light, I've just got this here with 5-watt wedge bulb in. The indicator bulb is just a PY21W bulb. So for the fog light bulbs, it looks like they should be changed through these holes underneath the car, as there's one on each side, just behind where the fog lights sit in the bumper. The fog light bulb is a PSX 24W. To remove the Drl lights, there are just two T20 Torx screws. And the fitting just pulls out